What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by Etekcity, and we're taking a look at their foot massager machine. Now, this thing has built-in heat, and it's really awesome because it has air compression for foot pain, and it increases blood circulation, which is really good in case you get cold feet quite a bit. It can fit up to size 12 in terms of feet, and it comes with a full-on 2-year warranty, which is awesome as well. Now, it also has a variety of massage modes and intensity levels. Some of them can get very intense, while others are kind of relaxing. You know, you just came home for a long drive and then you just need a foot massage, and that's what I've been using them for. Now, there's 3 modes, and the first mode is kind of, you know, just like it goes back and forth. The second mode is kind of like chillaxed and relaxed, and this is the one I found myself using the most. And the third mode is kind of intense. It gives you a lot of like pressure, and it's pretty much good in case you get foot pain or something of those sorts. Now, it also comes in at 3 different intensity levels, so you can choose any of those modes, and if you want them to be a bit more intense or a bit more, you know, comfy or a bit less, you know, sporadic, then maybe you want to go ahead and choose a lower intensity level. Now, here's where things get really awesome. You see, who wants to reach down and go ahead and touch these buttons? Well, you can go ahead and use your feet as well to tap on any of these buttons. Or what if I told you that this thing has full-on application control? That's right. You simply connect this thing via Bluetooth to your phone, and afterwards you're able to control every single aspect of this, from the intensity to whether or not there's heat or anything, directly from this very easy to use interface built directly into an application. How cool is that? And it's also timed, so if you want a 15-minute massage, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to increase the time, there's 3 different levels for that, and you're pretty much set to go. It all depends on what you want, and it makes for a really useful for your family members who maybe don't really want to learn new technology or how an application works. All they have to do is simply tap buttons with really easy labels, and you're pretty much set to go. However, if you want to use their VSync app and go ahead and have this be very awesome, where you don't have to reach down or anything of those sorts because it's been a long day, and you simply want to use your phone to change the intensity real quick, you can go ahead and do so, and it's really cool. Now, my all-in-all review of this is that it's really amazing. You simply place your feet into it, and oh, here's something that I should probably mention. You do place your feet into this, so of course every once in a while things are going to get dirty, so what you can simply do is unzip this real quick, and you can throw the actual pad things into the washer, and you're pretty much just attach them back, and you're pretty much set to go. There's no cleaning or anything of those sorts, or anything that needs to be replaced. It's very seamless. Now, my overall review is that it's got app control. It's touch sensitive. It's not too big. It's just big enough where you can place it in front of a couch, and the positioning of the footholds is perfect enough where you can sit back and relax, and it fit my feet, and it will probably fit anyone up to size 12, so you're pretty much set in terms of that as well. All in all, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Check out the link below. This is going to be me logging off.